Hey guys, today we're going to look at something nostalgic. I'm going to try running Windows XP on this Apple PowerBook G4 from 2005. Since this PowerBook's P-RAM battery is dead, so before we start, let's adjust this system time to make sure the software doesn't go wrong. This PowerBook is installed with macOS 10.5.8 Leopard with PowerPC G4 1.67 GHz processor and 1GB DDR2 RAM. Okay, since it's a PowerPC architecture, we can only achieve running Windows XP through a cross-architecture emulator, so we'll use Microsoft Virtual PC for Mac. I will install Virtual Pc7 downloaded from WinWordPC. Now let's load DMG file. Well, a disk image of Virtual Pc7 appears here. This is the installer, and there's also the README document below with some instructions and configuration requirements. The third is a folder with a guide PDF in it that shows detailed instructions. Let's go ahead and install this. So double-click. Welcome to Microsoft Virtual PC for Mac version 7. Oh, this package contains a program blah 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 blah. Okay, continue. Important information. Okay, the next step is to start the installation. So enter the password, and then you can see the nostalgic installation progress bar. Okay, the installation is complete. Now we need to restart the computer. After restarting, we come to the second step, make some settings. Oh, we need to load the CD first. Enter the product key here. Okay, the registration is complete. And now we enter the wizard to create a virtual machine. But wait first, before that, I need to upgrade it from 7.0 to 7.0.2, which better adopting macOS 10 Leopard. After the upgrade, restart again, go to Application folder, Virtual PC, the Create Virtual Machine wizard and Virtual PC list appear, and there's also a kernel extension jumping on the dock. Here we choose Windows XP, FAT32, Create, Start PC, and then it automatically started the virtual machine and popped up an installation guide. But I want to see its default parameters first. In the virtual machine settings, I can see that 256 MB RAM and 4 MB VRAM are allocated by default. My PowerBook has a 1 GB RAM and 128 MB VRAM, so I think the settings of virtual machine can be adjusted higher. Okay, RAM seems to set to 512 MB is the maximum, VRAM to 8 MB. There are some other settings here. Let's move on. Start the virtual machine and load the Windows XP CD image. Type Ctrl-Alt-Delete and press any key Okay, here we are, the Windows setup. So next is partition to format quick. Okay, setup is formatting, copying files. Well, since this is a PowerPC cross-architect to x86 emulation, there's a significant performance penalty, and it's really slow. Okay, the first stage finished. Restart. The Windows XP logo. Then we are on the second stage installation. An exciting new look. Having a GUI install at this stage is really great. Okay, now we are going to the region setting, name, and product key. Then the network setting. It takes almost an hour, which is really slow, although this is already the fastest 1.67 GHz model in the G4 series. I guess translation of many CPU instructions requires a lot of extra CPU usage due to cross-arc translation. I'm guessing it would be better to run an XP virtual machine on a G5 processor. We're almost here. Wow, I love this. Welcome to Microsoft Windows. Okay, I don't think you will be unfamiliar with this piece of music. It's so nostalgic. This question mark is very interesting. So, next. Help protect your PC. Nope, not right now. Checking your internet connectivity. No, thanks. Next, who will use this computer? Well, that's it. Welcome, this welcome screen. And a very nostalgic startup song. It still needs a lot of time doing some personalized settings. And we finally here. That's beautiful start menu. So what we need to do first is install the additional software which enable the virtual machine features. Okay, after restart, the Virtual PC Start menu has been added to my dock. Well, that's a great feature which I will show you later. Let's take a look at the Start menu. Control panel, appearance and themes, the display. Yeah, we can change the resolution now. But this response speed is still very slow. It seems that this virtual PC does not have any GPU acceleration. We can drag the window size to adjust the resolution directly. Here is the full screen. Okay. Wow, the Windows XP on PowerBook G4. That's a bit weird. This PowerBook have a 960p display, so it's really a high resolution at that year for Windows XP. The font size looks a bit small. Let's try something else. Windows Media Player. You can press and hold the command key to bring up the menu bar and the dock, and then we can exit full screen mode. Well, this is really slow. Let's look at something else. The Internet Explorer. Oh, you can see that its icon will appear in the macOS dock at the same time. I will try Outlook Express. Wow, it's here. It makes the virtual machine and macOS more integrated. Let's take a look at the browser version. And we open Safari. Oh, I forgot there is another thing, that is Start menu on macOS dock. You can see a simulated Start menu on the Mac dock bar, where you can directly start Windows applications, which is very magic. I tried opening Solitary and hey, it opened in Virtual XP. This is pretty amazing. And advanced functionality, I think, for the virtual machines from 2005. You know, there wasn't a modern virtualization product like Parallels Desktop back then. If we try to shut down the virtual machine and the start menu is still available, you can see that this virtual machine is resuming from hibernation and running the application you selected. Let's look at another software, Tool Windows XP. I really love this.
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings your...
Let's go to full screen.
It's the best. Experience Windows XP. Best for business. To begin the tour, click any selection. Unlock the exciting world of digital media at home, at work, and on the internet. Photography, music, videos, computer games, and more. Built-in photo sharing and organization. Playing music, video, and CDs.
Absolutely, I love this animated wizard. It runs really lag and slow, okay? But very interesting. Let's see. Okay, now take a look at properties of the virtual computer. Wow, the process is 686 with 134 MHz clock speed. That's incredible. Text typing is completely fine. Let's try dragging and dropping files. Well, it works great. I think this virtual machine is still very useful for people who have Windows needs. At that year, it emulates x86 Windows from PowerPC across the architecture. Windows XP is relatively slow, but still acceptable. If you install Windows 2000 or Windows 98, the response would be much better than Windows XP. Or you can try it in G5 processor, which I believe will have a better sort of responsive experiences. Alright, thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please don't forget to leave your like or comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this. I will see you in next video.